Sometimes I use Alice to form specific formal requests or maybe a customer support request that I sent to some software that I use. And I have Betty who helps me with that. So Betty helps me formatting messages so that they can be letters or formal messages. And there is a prompt that is quite simple, but there is some polite phrasing, some focus on the outcome and things like that. So basically, if I give Betty any bullet points for example, a question that I have considering a service, or I might just say that the flight was delayed and I want some compensation, what she'll do is she'll come up with the idea of a letter that I can send straight to the airlines. As you can see, this is another very simple concept of Alice. However, those simple concepts are really powerful. I remember myself having to write a complaint to an insurance company and it took me ages. And also, then I got replies and I had to analyze it carefully. While in Betty, I can paste in the reply and she will give me the most important, the most essential things and action points that I should do according to this particular message. And also, it's super fast to run. So I can just summon Alice. So basically, I have new conversation here. So with Command Shift D, I summon Alice. Then I press Command 3 to call Betty. And then I can straight up write what I want to accomplish. So this is just like a few clicks away, and it takes me a second to get to Betty and to write a reply to some support request or something like that. In order to do it with ChatGPT, I'd have to open the browser, log in somewhere, and it takes a lot more time. So here we have a really nice workflow with a really, really simple concept. See you in the next one.